Two dream destinations. One ultimate question: which is more beautiful, Maldives or Bora Bora? Both promise overwater bungalows, crystal clear lagoons, and pure island bliss. But when it comes to scenery, experience, and vibe, the differences are deeper than you think. The Maldives is a chain of 1,200 coral islands scattered across the Indian Ocean, isolated, intimate, and incredibly flat. In contrast, Bora Bora is a single volcanic island in French Polynesia, surrounded by a lagoon and motus, small islets, with Mount Otomanu rising majestically in the center. Maldives, low-lying and vast, like stepping onto a floating luxury platform. Bora Bora, compact, dramatic, and cinematic in its beauty. When it comes to sheer natural beauty, both the Maldives and Bora Bora are stunning, but in very different ways. These aren't just destinations, they're living postcards. The Maldives is made up of 26 atolls and over 1,000 coral islands, each a slice of paradise floating in the Indian Ocean. Imagine a chain of islands so flat, all you see is endless sky meeting endless sea. No mountains, no crowds, just tranquility. The landscapes are clean and calm. Powder white sandbanks, shallow lagoons, and coral reefs teeming with marine life. Each island feels like your own private sanctuary, especially at sunrise when the waters are glass still and glowing. Things you can see at Maldives: coral-ringed atolls from above, overwater villas on stilts, uninhabited islands and private sandbanks, glow in the dark beaches, miles of turquoise, reef-protected lagoons. Maldives, a peaceful paradise made for disconnecting and soaking in simplicity. Bora Bora, on the other hand, offers a more dramatic canvas. A lush volcanic island sits in the heart of a dazzling blue lagoon, surrounded by a circle of tiny islets called motus. And towering above it all, the iconic Mount Otomanu, jagged, mysterious, and completely unforgettable. Here, you're not just admiring the sea, you're immersed in a contrast of jungle greens, sky blues, and volcanic greys. Walk on soft pink sand beaches, take a boat through the lagoon's glassy waters, or hike inland for panoramic views over the entire island ring. Things to see at Bora Bora: Mount Otomanu and Mount Pahia. Motus are private islets with palm-fringed beaches. Lagoon full of coral gardens and marine life. Water bungalows facing the mountain. Sunset views that light up the entire sky. Bora Bora, a sensory masterpiece, perfect for photography, romance, and unforgettable moments. So while the Maldives offers serenity and infinite blues, Bora Bora delivers a dramatic mix of land and sea. The beauty isn't just in the color, it's in how these places make you feel. Quiet and reflective, or alive and in awe. Both destinations pioneered the overwater bungalow and perfected it. In the Maldives, you'll find ultra-modern villas with slides, underwater restaurants, and private pools suspended over coral reefs. In Bora Bora, the bungalows are fewer but more traditional Polynesian in style, built with local wood and thatch, blending with nature while facing the lagoon. Choose Maldives for variety, innovation, luxury at scale. Choose Bora Bora for authenticity, charm, and exclusivity. Both islands offer world-class snorkeling and diving, but the underwater experience varies. Maldives is home to colorful coral reefs, manta rays, and even whale sharks. Many resorts have house reefs. You can snorkel just steps from your villa. Bora Bora offers calmer waters for paddleboarding, jet skiing, and lagoon tours. Expect stingrays, reef sharks, and vivid coral gardens. Maldives is better for marine diversity and diving. Bora Bora, is ideal for calm water fun and lagoon exploration. In the Maldives, cuisine leans toward international gourmet, often imported, luxurious and curated. The local culture is Muslim, so alcohol is limited to resorts. In Bora Bora, the French Polynesian influence shines. Fresh seafood, tropical fruit and French pastries. The culture is warm, musical and spiritual, with traditional dance, tattoos and storytelling still thriving. Maldives gives you ultimate privacy and curated experience. Bora Bora offers cultural richness and local connection. Both destinations are expensive, but getting there depends on where you're flying from. Maldives is more accessible from Europe, Asia and the Middle East. Bora Bora is better for travelers from the US, Canada or Oceania. In terms of cost, Maldives has a wider range of resorts, from ultra-luxury to semi-affordable. Bora Bora tends to be smaller, more exclusive and consistently high-end. If you dream of endless blue, total seclusion and luxury innovation, the Maldives is your paradise. But if you crave iconic scenery, cultural richness and postcard-perfect contrasts, Bora Bora is the winner. There's no wrong choice, just your kind of paradise. Let us know in the comments, are you Team Maldives or Team Bora Bora? Before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more epic destinations.